How to find Mtcn number on Western Union. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can find the Mtcn number here on westernunion.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, the Mtcn number is like a number who's going to help you identify your transaction here in Western Union. So you're just going to have one if you have made a transaction with your account. In this case, what you must do is log in into your account. You must click in the three horizontal lines and go into your history. There you're going to check your history of transactions. As you can see, I don't have one, but I'm going to show you like some screenshots where you can see some transactions, and there you have the option just to click on top of the name of your transaction, and this is going to redirect you into the transfer details. And on top of your transfer details, you're going to find the Mtcn number. And that's how you can do it. It's quite simple. Thanks for watching.